I'm Beau with Sanco Services. What you've just seen is the build of this finished product. This is a Vanco insulated kit with a specialized pallet mover that we've installed. In order to install this pallet mover, we have had to remove the floor, put in a specialized E-track, reinforce the floor, rebondo and insulate the floor, and then adhere this pallet mover. This pallet mover is unique in making the product available to the front of the van and to the back, as you can see in its movement. This is a specialized installation that Sanco Services is proud of. These are the types of projects we can do for you. Let us know how we can help.